Hello Year 10. I hope the interunit test went well for at least the majority of you, and I thought it would be useful, as always, for me to go through the questions contained within that test. So this video covers the first three. If we begin, as is traditional, with question 1. James went on a holiday to America. The summary table below shows all his expenses during the trip. Some are given in dollars, some are given in pounds. I notice very early on in this question, the hotel is for 14 nights, the Wi-Fi is for 13 days, presumably leaving early on the final morning. And these are given per night and per day, so I'm going to have to do something with that. The exchange rate at the time of James's holiday was $1.45 to £1, and I'm asked for my value of the total cost of the holiday in pounds. So there are several steps to take here then. Flights, I'm already sorted, I know the whole cost for the whole holiday. Hotel, I need to do two things to work out the whole cost for the whole holiday. I'm going to work out my dollar value in total, which is just $105 times 14 nights, $1,470. And then I need to convert that into pounds. So I know that $1.45 is £1, 1.45 to 1 dollars to pounds. I need to know how much $1 is. So I have $1 is 1 over 1.45. I've just divided both sides by 1.45 pounds. And so to get my value in pounds, I need to multiply by 1 over 1.45. Each dollar is worth 1 over 1.45 pounds, which is 1013 and I'm going to go 793. So I'm noting this is money. And so I'm just going to go to one decimal place more than I need so that I'm not going to be caught by any horrible rounding errors. And that's my value in pounds. My Wi-Fi is 13 days, so that's $4 per night for 13 days, so that's $52. Same argument, I'm multiplying by 1 over 1.45 to get my total cost in pounds, which would be £35.86, and then I'm going to go to one extra DP once again, and so my total cost overall then is $1,400 plus all of those things. So I'm going to have my actual value answer plus 1013.793 plus 1,400, giving me a total, when I add all those together, of £2,449.66. And that gives me my total cost of holiday in pounds. On to the second question. The attendance at a rugby game is as follows. Number of men to number of women to number of children is 17 to 9 to 12. In other words, fewest women, then children, most men. Given that there are 3,512 more men than women, work out number of children attending the game. So the easiest way I think to do this is just, I'm going to multiply all three of these by some value I don't know, some multiplier x. So 17x to 9x to 12x. And this is going to be the actual split of people at the rugby game. So there are 17x people at the rugby game, 9x people at the rugby game, 12x people at the rugby game. That still fits my same ratio. I also know there are 3,512 more men than women. So 17x must be equal to 9x, amount of men is equal to the amount of women, plus 3,512. So subtracting 9x from both sides, I have 8x is equal to 3,512, and so x is equal to 3,512 divided by 8, 439. And I want the number of children attending the game, so the number of children will be 12x, which is 12 times 439, which is 5,268 children. There are loads of other ways to do this, including trial and error, but it will take an awfully long time and won't necessarily gain you full marks in the exam. For my money, this is the clearest, simplest, and most applicable to this sort of problem. And the third question, the final one in this video. A garden patio is covered with grey slabs and yellow slabs. 1/5 of the slabs are grey. Write down the ratio of grey slabs to yellow slabs. Give your answer in its simplest form. If I was struggling with this, I'll just consider the simplest scenario. 1/5 are grey, so let's think about having just 5 slabs. So I'd have a grey, 1 out of 5, and then yellow, 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 yellow. So my ratio of grey to yellow is 1:4, and that is in its simplest form, because I have one of my ratios as 1. There are 55 slabs in total. Work out the number of yellow slabs. In this ratio, there are 5 parts, 1 plus 4. 55 divided by 5 is 11, so I need to multiply this ratio by 11 to get 55 parts in total. So I have 11:44. Now just check that, 11 plus 44, 55. Tick. So therefore, it's grey to yellow slabs, so there are 44 yellow slabs. And that's the third question sorted.